started coming up under here, and there's some holes around. This is Gilbert the Rat Man, and we have some pipes that are coming up under here, and there's some holes around area allowing rodents to get up in there and go all the way up into the attic. So this area is inaccessible to wire off, so I'm going to use some detour gel. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and put some on my glove and rub it up under there. This detour gel is a game changer. So I got the detour gel on my glove. I'm just going to rub it around the pipes, around all the pipes here. Get it around the wood up in there. And these rodents will not dare go near this. It'll burn the crap out of them. They'll learn a lesson if they do. This is Gilbert the Rat Man.